If you're seeing the Prezi error code Convjobfail, don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what it means and how to fix it step by step. This issue usually appears when Prezi's cloud rendering engine fails to convert an uploaded file into a format that works on its zooming canvas. In simple terms, Prezi is trying to process your file, but something in the upload is too heavy, too complex, or incompatible. The good news is that there are a few reliable fixes you can try right away. Before we get into the steps, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and software fixes just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next fix when you need it. First, let's start with the most common cause: uploading too many assets at once. If you're adding a large batch of files, especially more than 10 at the same time, your browser can get overloaded in the background. That can bottleneck the upload process and cause the server job to time out. To avoid that, try uploading fewer files at once. Break your content into smaller batches, upload one section at a time, and give Prezi a moment to process each group before adding more. This alone can solve the Convjobfail error for many users. Now, if the error happens while importing PowerPoint or PDF slides into Prezi, the problem is often inside the file itself. Prezi's converter can run into trouble when it finds embedded elements that don't translate well into its format. One of the biggest culprits is animations and transitions. Native PowerPoint animations usually do not convert properly, so before uploading, open your presentation in PowerPoint and remove any animations, slide transitions, or motion effects. Keep the presentation as clean and simple as possible, then save the file again and try importing it into Prezi one more time. If your presentation still fails, the next thing to check is the complexity of your shapes and graphics. Hyper-complex vector shapes, layered smart graphics, and slides packed with custom design elements can be too much for the converter to handle. In that case, a very effective workaround is to flatten those slides into images. Export the problem slides as high-quality PNG or JPG files, then upload those images separately into Prezi instead of importing the editable slide elements. This can make the file much easier for Prezi to render successfully. Another thing to watch for is image size and resolution. Very high-resolution images may look great, but they can also crash the rendering stream if they're too heavy. If you're using large images inside your presentation, compress them first or convert them into standard JPG or PNG files with a more manageable size. You don't always need the highest possible resolution for online presentation use, and reducing file weight can make a huge difference when Prezi is converting your content. If you've already tried all of that and the error still appears, I recommend doing a clean test upload. Create a very simple presentation with just 1 or 2 basic slides, no animations, no huge images, and no complicated graphics. If that file uploads correctly, then you know the issue is with one of the elements in your original presentation rather than Prezi itself. From there, add your content back in gradually until you find the exact problem file or slide. Also, make sure your browser is working properly. A stale browser session, a bad cache, or an interrupted login can sometimes interfere with cloud uploads. Refresh the page, sign out and sign back in if needed, and try uploading from a supported browser with a stable internet connection. If possible, close extra tabs and background downloads so your browser has more memory available for the upload. So to quickly recap, if you get Convjobfail in Prezi, start by reducing the number of files you upload at once. Then remove PowerPoint animations and transitions, simplify overly complex vector graphics, and compress large images before uploading again. If needed, flatten difficult slides into PNG or JPG files and test with a simpler presentation to isolate the problem. And that's how you fix the Prezi error code Convjobfail. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more software fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Prezi issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.